Jazzy crew. Hey, my Jazzy crew. Hey, my Jazzy crew. Hey, my Jazzy crew. Y'all, golly, why'd you do that? Yeah, I'm sorry. Hey, my, listen, see? And then my thing look all crooked. Y'all, listen, I'm sorry. I'm not even going to say it again. Listen, because my husband is crying. Y'all, listen, so listen. Y'all, listen. Hi, my Jazzy Crews. Hey, my Jazzy Crews. Hey, my Jazzy Crew. Hey, my Jazzy Crew. Hey, my Jazzy Crews. How's everybody doing today? Your girl is doing amazing. Yes, y'all, your girl is doing amazing as always, y'all. And she's hot to death, okay? She's going into a hot flash. She need her fan on. That's the problem. But y'all, anyway, so listen. And y'all already see what we got here. You already see down in the title below. She got a sweet corn on a cob. It was a whole one. I just cut it in half. I got me some purple onion rings. I got me some good old deep fried chicken, mustard chicken legs. And I got me some what? Some Gloria greens, y'all. Yes, y'all. And before we get into all of this, let's do what we know best, y'all. Let's pray, okay? Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive. And let it be nourished to my body. In your name, I pray. Amen. Amen, y'all. Yes, y'all. But listen, your girl got to fix this because it's bothering me. It's bothering me, y'all. Let's see if that'll work. So anyway, that's okay. I'm not going to make it no worse than what it is. So, but anyway, just let me scoop some of this back. So y'all, how y'all doing? Okay. Excuse me. I couldn't give y'all, listen, I got to have some, these, when I tell you, these Gloria Greens is popping, y'all, they popping, okay? But listen, lately your girl been forgetting her best friend. And she tell you that's because I've been hungry. So listen, y'all, she got that water. She got that water. Yes, y'all, she got that water, y'all. Let's drink our water, that H2O. And then guess what else, y'all? So when you smoke, when you do a little toot, no. Y'all, guess what I'm going to try out, though? We're going to go ahead and try this out, okay, y'all? I should have made this my thumbnails, what I should have did, but that's okay. But we're going to try this out, y'all, okay? And then also, let me go ahead and give a shout out to the 5 fabulous women. Because fabulous, yes, sweet, that we are, okay? So, let me give a shout out to Miss Eating Good. That Hood Girl, too. Oh my God, that sauce is busting. Now wait a minute. Hold up. Y'all, hold up. This sauce, y'all, is busting. So anyway, remember that good Hood Girl 2, Kicking It with Lynn, is Reggie's World. Y'all also go check out Cooking with Judy Cobwell. Go check her out. It's Cooking It with Judy Cobwell. Also, she do cooking videos. But y'all, let me give a shout out to Miss Cinnamon and Miss Rochelle. And then let me not forget my Key Kim and the fam. And then you already know yo one and what? Only yo who? That Jazzy V, y'all. Yes, y'all. So listen. When I tell you, y'all, the 5 fabulous women, y'all go over there to Amazon and order y'all some of this. When I tell you it's good, y'all. Okay? And also, y'all, I hope y'all keep Miss Lynn, Kicking It with Lynn, in your prayers as well. She had to have a little cyst thing taken care of, whatever. She's doing good, though. But still keep her in a fast recovery, a speedy recovery, okay? Let her get healed quickly. and get her out of all that pain. But she hanging in there because she did a video. I did see one video. I gotta go watch the other one. She has a part 2. And that part 1, she was talking about how that lady waited till she got face down to talk about that riot stuff, whatever. Yeah, I love these purple onions, okay? I'm hungry, y'all. And this is sweet corn. A good old sweet corn, okay? My husband, I went on back in the room. I guess he didn't want to be in here with me today. Well, he wasn't here with me earlier, so. His sauce is busting. It's sweet, though. Or something like that. It's good. It's literally good. Y'all, thank y'all for watching my video yesterday. I truly appreciate it. But not yesterday. The day before yesterday, because I didn't do a video yesterday. I'm sorry. This corn is sweet. Real sweet. That chicken fire. That chicken is good, y'all. So, y'all, listen, I'm so glad that this riot has literally been peaceful. Like, literally peaceful. Okay? Yeah, I gotta go get me some hot sauce, though. This barbecue sauce is good. I mean, well, not barbecue, but this wing sauce. It's just wing sauce, but I had to use it for the drumlets. Yo, I had deep fried my chicken. I've got something to tell my fast fabulous women. Hold on. Let me get my hot sauce, y'all. I think I'm going to do crystals. Let's do some crystals. And thank you to the ones who've been watching my workout videos, y'all. Thank you. I started to do one today, but I was like, nah, that's okay. I ain't going to do it today. I'll just wait and do it Monday. Like I said, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesdays. So, y'all, my Dame Dash sauce finally came, y'all. Finally came. I was like, damn. I thought I had to chop that up as a loss. But I didn't. It came today. It just came like about an hour or two ago or so. But not even that long ago. Right when I was cooking this chicken, it just came. Or a little bit before, or whatever. However, I got it, so. It's Veggies World. I told my husband, I said, now, My subscriber asked where was Eric at and why she didn't hear him playing that game. I said, yeah, well, he been in the room. He just gonna smile. These glorious greens. Let me try this sauce on here. It's good. Now, y'all, I'm gonna be doing another ASMR video here real soon. And I'll tell you, I deep fry this chicken here. I deep fry this. So y'all, tomorrow, I'm gonna go to the store. I started to go today and get it, but I didn't. But I'm gonna go get all the ingredients I need for Miss Judy Caldwell, Mama Cootie Job. That Miss Judy Caldwell, she cooked she did a broccoli salad dish or something like that. I'm gonna go back and check it out. But I think I want to do that tomorrow. I think. And then upload it for Saturday. Maybe. Because also, I had said something else in mind I want to do tomorrow. But also, I was thinking that I was going to do something because on Fridays, but you know what? Oh, no, I don't. I don't have to do that now. So that's no. So never mind on that one. Okay. Y'all, what I was going to say was, I was thinking about what type of dish I could cook tomorrow, finger foods. Because on Fridays, my brother-in-law, he coming back over. You know, he had to chill out for a minute. He was going through some stuff, whatever. But anyway, so he's back. He comes over on Fridays. Him and his partner, they come over and they play dominoes, or sometimes we play spades, stuff like that. But forgot he's going out of town tomorrow, so I don't have to worry about that. I mean, I'm still going to cook for me and my husband, but I can cook whatever, you know, I want. You know. This was good, y'all. So, y'all, I'm going to try to come up with a challenge. I need to go back and watch Two Girls' video. I didn't think I watched all her video with her eating that leftover barbecue, I want to say. I seen some of it. But and then, y'all, also, I got supposed to have a faster internet service going, okay? So, the man told me that my video should upload very fast than what it normally does. So when I upload this video today, we'll see how fast it uploads. Cause I told him, I said my videos take up to like 3 hours to upload, and then I have to wait for YouTube to upload to put it out there, you know. So I'm like, it takes a long time to get out there, you know, to the community or whatever. And so he watches YouTubes and stuff. And so he subscribed to my channel or whatever. And so he was like, oh, this one right here will be, your video is gonna uptake twice as much, it's double or whatever. Well, basically what he's saying is your video is gonna upload faster than what it has been. So, well, I want some more crust. So, listen, my husband gonna be mad. Well, he's not gonna be mad, but he gonna be like, I thought I had these many pieces. I stole the piece. I stole the piece, y'all. Because I still got a lot of time to talk with y'all. He gonna be alright. He don't eat that much, no way. And he just got, actually, he just got through about, I understand, almost about 2 hours ago. He just got through eating a gyro. He made him a gyro sandwich. He sure did. He got his pita bread, his gyro meat, his veggies that he put, he sauteed this stuff. I mean, he had it smelling good in here. Now, I don't even eat that type of stuff, lamb meat or whatever, but it was so good. It smelled so good that after he got through cooking it and had it all together and stuff, and coming to the table, sit down and eat, I was plotting. I was already plotting on it, y'all. I wanted some. And I never had it before. And so, when I tasted it, at first I was like, ooh, that tastes pretty good. Okay. I said, well, wait a minute, let me try. I said, hold up. Let me try it one more time. Hold on. Let me try one more again. Just really see. I was like, no. And I still don't know. But what I do know is that it has smelled delicious. Let me say that part. And y'all, sometimes when I eat chicken, I pick at it. Excuse me. Ooh, excuse me. Sometimes I know. Ooh, excuse me. I already know. I waste a lot of meat. But y'all, just let me ask you this question. Y'all, do y'all get mad when people ask y'all dumb questions? chili crackers. This is sweet. Or tangy or something. But somebody said to me, they actually, what they did was they DM'd me. Okay? Now, you didn't have to DM me. You could have put it in the comment. In the comments below. Okay? Somebody said, okay, so, and I unsubscribed to them. I blocked them too because, girl, and then I got the thing I said, well, shoot, I shouldn't have blocked her. I should have let her stay right here to continue to watch me. You know? Like, literally. And I might go back and unblock her. That's what I might do. But she goes to say, girl, I sit up here and I watch you do mukbang video, I'm eating. And then you turn around and you go and now you're doing workout videos. Do you think that that's honestly helping you? Because it looked like you just still the same. It looked like your body ain't doing nothing. I said, how dare you? But then, as I proceeded to read her, I said, let me go in here and pull up her Instagram. Let me see who this chick, let me see what she looked like. Listen. That ain't even my character to talk about no one. Okay? So I just didn't say, I didn't give no kind of, you know what your mom used to tell you? If you ain't got nothing nice to say, then don't say nothing at all. And I ain't got nothing to say. What I will say is that, and she's not the only one, that several people have asked me of how you think that you're going to sit up here and do these mukbang channels and then work out too and think that you won't gain no weight. I don't know what's going to happen. But what I do know, in the midst of me doing these mukbang channels, and exercise has kept me at a maintained level. I have not gained any weight. Okay? And I've lost 3 pounds. Okay? Now 3 pounds ain't a lot, but it's enough. Because losing that 3 pounds, guess how many more I can lose to add with those 3 pounds? But actually, I'm not doing that to lose weight at all. I exercise, y'all, to maintain my weight and to stay healthy because of my issues of my history of cancer. Okay? So that's why I do that. And then sometimes, you don't know, it inspires a lot of people and it motivates some people. Because I have people that tell me every day that I've motivated them to get up, to exercise. However way they do it, if it's just 5-10 minutes of it, they got up and they did it. I get up and I do an exercise video on Facebook every morning. And I have people to tell me they did it with me. They stood there and they just moved in place with me. Now, how long they did it, they said they didn't do it as long as I did, but they did it. And that was a start, and that was a good thing. And that's good. Because at least you did some, better not none. You got some people that just to watch and criticize you. You know? Like, come on. I don't get it. And this crust is fire. Ah, that chicken is good, y'all. That chicken was good. And everything was good. Everything was delicious. Everything was delicious. Woo! And now guess what? She full. Those pieces of chicken. 4. And then the greens and the corn and then everything else that came with. And I'm playing. So anyway, y'all. So yeah, that's it, y'all. So I'm ready to do me a another ASMR video. And when I had bought that one mic that I used the first time I did the ASMR video, that same day I had ended up ordering me, or that next day or two, I had ended up ordering me another mic or whatever. And so it finally came in the day before yesterday. Now I haven't used it yet. And so, but then I have another one that's coming in that I end up soon. Or getting, or whatever. So, I don't know, I might wait on that one when it comes. Or whatever, so. But we'll see, but yeah. So, y'all, I will be having another ASMR video coming. And y'all, thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you. Y'all, that's it. That hot dog challenge gave me some good old, views and subscribers, and I thank you. I thank each and every one of you guys. I truly do. And thank you to the ones that's already been here. And I'm glad that you came back. And the ones that subscribe and you're new here, thank you, and welcome. And I hope you continue to come over. And I hope you like my content. I hope you like everything about me. And if there's anything, listen, y'all, listen, I would want to do a Q&A video. So, y'all, listen, I want to do a Q&A video. And actually, I feel like all of us 5 fabulous women should do a Q&A video, okay? So, let's do a Q&A video. And then that way, when you go in your comments and you look at everybody who gave you a question, you just get all your questions, write them all down, and then with your next video, then you go in and you make that your Q&A video of answering the questions of what people want to know about you or whatever that is. So that's what I'm going to do, y'all. My next video will be a Q&A video. So if the 5 fabulous women don't mind doing that, because you never know what people want to know. And sometimes, I'm not saying we have to tell them our business or whatnot, but if you can answer it, answer it. If not, it's okay. But to me, I'm just want to do this just all out of fun. And it's what sometimes you want your subscribers to know a little bit of something about you, because then guess what else? Why I say that? Because my next thing is this. When I do the Q&A video, and when I go into my comments, and when I see what everybody is asking me, then I'm going to answer those questions, right? And then guess what else is next after they answer those questions? Well, after we or me answer those questions. Then next time, when I do another video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play a game. And I'm going to play a game to where it's in me doing my video. Y'all, I'm going to be asking some questions to see if you remember of what I said about that question that you asked about me, and see if you just remember. It could be like my favorite color, my favorite food, where I like to go, like how I like to shop, or how long me and my man been together, or how did we meet, anything, something like that, you know what I mean? So anyway, Or I was thinking about ordering. I'm gonna go back on Amazon, and I want to order this. But anyway, I don't know how this might work out, y'all. But anyway, my time is up. So let me give a shout out again to the 5 fabulous women. Shout out to Miss Eating Good, that hood girl too. Kicking it with Lynn is the Veggies World. And y'all, don't forget about your girl JAZZY V. Yes, y'all. Like this video. Okay? Watch this video. Like this video. Comment on this video. Share this video. All that good stuff. Subscribe. And then guess what else? Guess what? And it don't cost nothing. And it don't take nothing but a high skip and a jump, y'all. Yes. Ring that bell. Ring that bell. Ring that bell. Hey. Ring that bell. Ring that bell. Ring that bell, y'all. So that way you can be notified every time your girl, JAZZY V, yes, me, post a video, y'all. Yes, y'all. And don't forget to go check out Judy Caldwell, Cooking with Judy Caldwell. And then check out the Key Kim and the fam, y'all. And let me give a shout out to my niece, Mia. Auntie, love you, baby. And until next time, what? I'll see you in the next video. Video. I'm just gonna let it cut off, y'all, okay? Until woo. Woo.